Affinity fans have been waiting for this moment for a long time. The new Affinity 3 offers longitudinally arranged single beds at the rear, in response to the classic layouts of most panel van motorhomes, and a step by the Polish manufacturer to meet customer demands. With 3 sleeping places, this panel van is perfect for small families or for 2 people. Practical extras such as blackout blinds, an electric step, and an insect screen pleated blind for the side-sliding door are included as standard equipment. The dimensions of the Affinity 3 are 636 in length, 210 in width, and 290 centimeters in height. The vehicle weighs 3,090 kilograms in ready-to-drive condition and offers an interior height of 196 centimeters. Sleeping arrangements include a fold-down bed at the front measuring 160 by 90 centimeters, as well as longitudinally arranged single beds at the rear measuring 193 x 71 and 181 by 74 centimeters. The kitchen is equipped with a 2-burner gas stove and a 70-liter refrigerator. The freshwater tank has a volume of 110 liters, and the wastewater tank holds 100 liters.